Ever seen a bird that waddles like a Roger after ridden a saddle too long? Yep, that's a duck. But before this feathered bandit steals my cornbread, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more critter tales. Now here's a ducks have waterproof feathers, so rain just slides off them like whiskey off a poker table. And did you know, ducks can sleep with one eye open? Makes them the best night guard since my hound dog took early retirement. Oh, and their quacks don't echo the way you'd expect. Guess even sound waves don't want to mess with a duck posse.